Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the white balance tool in Snapseed. But first I just wanted to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First you're going to open the application. After that you need to select your image, so you're going to click on the plus icon. Here you're going to select your preferred image. After that, you're going to click on Tools on the bottom of the screen. Then you're going to select White Balance. And here it is. There are three options to use here. One is the Auto Adjustment. The second one is Manual Adjustment. And the third one is a Color Picker. The Auto Adjustment tool will automatically adjust the image. But of course, if you don't like it, you can manually change that. Like here, I can make the color temperatures a lot higher or a lot colder. Also, I can change the tint, which is, as you can see. If you want to change the temperature to a specific way, to a color, you can pick the color picker. This is kind of seizure inducing, so if you're epileptic, I would recommend looking away, as you can see. I dialed it on the red, so it changed the temperature and the tint to minus, so the image is a lot more colder. If you are done editing it, we're going to click on the check mark, and after that, if we want to save the image, we're going to click on export. Here we have four options. One is sharing it on a platform to our friends. The second one is save, which will save the image. The third one is export, which is kind of the same as save. And export as is going to ask you to select a specific folder to it. We're going to click on save, and then we can view it. We're going to click on the gallery, and here it is. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.